today we've got a bigger package, as you can see. I got this package a couple of days ago. Took around 3 days to arrive. I ordered this from eBay and I wanted to use this for my YouTube videos. So let's quickly open it up and see what it actually is. So guys, just stay patient, you'll see what this is. Apparently it's very useful for YouTube videos. But let's just do this one first. So I picked this up for around £16. I found cheaper ones, but they were import from China, which would have taken a lot longer. So I'm really happy about this. This is proper metal, not plastic like my other tripod, but this ain't a tripod. Well, it is, but it's not for recording my videos with directly off this, but it will help. So just looking at this, as you can see, it's solid metal. It's got an extender. The height I wanted was perfect for this one, as you can tell. I haven't figured out yet how you use it, but I will do. I'm guessing yes. So that comes out, and that one, and then you pull it out like so. But yeah, so let's just put it back in. It's very stiff, probably because it's brand new and I haven't really adjusted any of it, but let's leave this to one side. So in this bag here, you've got your mount. So this you can put your phone in. Then in here you have another mount. This mount looks a lot different. You'll see what this is for. It's like a claw that you tighten, and this attaches to the actual tripod. So this here, if I am hopefully correct, I'm really excited. And nothing in the box. So this here, as you can see now, this is a USB LED ring light. My phone will sit inside recording from the middle while this lights up the object or the area that I'm recording. This is around 6,300 lumen, which should be okay. Sorry, it should be similar to natural LED white lighting. I didn't want the yellow tinge, but this does have 3 settings. It has an orangish tinge, a white, and a bright white. So I'll be testing them out too, and that also comes with another mount. Don't see any manuals, which is a bit worrying, considering I'm not too sure how to make this, but let's give it a try anyway. So just quickly looking at the remote. So as you can see in this remote, you have your on off button. Not sure what that is. That's to, oh sorry, that's to reduce brightness. That's to rotate through the 3 color options, and that's to increase brightness. So let's look at the rest and try putting this together. I am lost. Okay, so that looks like it goes in there or in here. Yes, in here. Not sure why. Then this looks like it goes in there. like so. So if you're wondering how I'm recording this and managing to fit this whole long tripod LED, I'm using my Samsung Galaxy S10 Plus with its wide angle mode. The only problem with using wide angle is I cannot record in 4K or even 2K. It's just 1080p. From the looks of it, this did come with this, so I'm guessing this just you have 2 mounting points, so I'd want it so that it is on the phone straight up, like so. It's got a nice cushion on either side and a very thick rubber grip. On the previous tripod I reviewed, don't get me wrong, I'm still using it, I love it, but it has slightly fallen apart. All the rubber safety parts have all come off, and the handle that allows you to tilt has broken off now. But I have been using it quite a lot. It's literally helped me make all my YouTube videos. Hey guys, so I've just figured out how to use the clamp, had to do a bit of screwing and adjusting to put all these pieces together. And now how the clamp works. So what you do is you attach this onto the pin here that slides through, and you adjust it so that it lines up. This clamp here, you twist this anti-clockwise or clockwise to tighten and loosen the jaw. So I need to loosen it to get this to attach onto here. So as you can see, I still need to loosen it quite a bit. Till the jaw fits right on top, and then you just tighten it. Just keep on turning till you're happy with it being tight and snug. And then all you do is to lock it. Flip this over and you push down. It's a solid clip, so once that's down, you know this won't move. Other than that, as you can see now, this rotates in there, and then all you would do is grab your phone, mount it in like so, and then adjust it so that your camera looks through it like so. Let's plug this into my battery pack just to see if the LED works. Just should be direct plug in like so. So now there should be power. As you can see, there is. It's lighting up, so it's telling you need to put the power switch on. Guys, be ready, it might be a bit bright. Wow, that is definitely bright. I'm just going to quickly show you the color cycles. Can't really pick it up on here, but that is more of an orange glow. Let's change it. That's the LED pure white glow, and that's a proper yellowish tinge. So that's the proper yellow, LED white, and slight in between. But yeah, I'll probably be using this one. So guys, what I'll do is I'll be using this for the next video. Let's turn it off, sorry. So I'll be using this for my next video, and what we'll do is I'll use it for a few more and see how this goes in my recording. You should be able to see a bit more better lighting, and if you don't like it, then what I will do is give a final view on what I think of this. It does adjust quite high up, so it goes up to 4 feet. I'll try to include that in another video also, but yes guys, so that was just a quick unboxing and testing of a LED flashlight with built-in selfie. So guys, please like, subscribe, thumbs up would be great, obviously subscribe would be sweet, and I'll try giving you more videos. Peace out.